Welcome back. Now let's discuss the solution of our first exercise, and the exercise is to write a program to swap the value of two integer variables. Let's say two integer variables are var1 and var2, and we are assuming the values are 5 and 3. For swapping the value of two integer variables, what we can do is we can take a temporary variable, let's say temp var, and assign the value of var1 into this. So once this particular statement is executed, the value of temp var will become 5 because the value of var1 is 5, right? So after this statement, var1 will be 5, var2 will be 3, and temp var will be 5, right? After that, we execute the statement var1 is equal to var2. Basically, we are assigning the value of variable 2 into variable 1. Why we are doing so? We are modifying the value of variable 1 because we have already stored the original value of variable 1 into temporary variable. So whenever we want the original value of variable 1, we can get it from the temporary variable. So now we are in a position where we can change the value of variable 1, right? So once this particular statement is executed, the value of variable 1 will become 3, and variable 2 will keep its original value because it is on the right hand side of the expression, and then the temporary variable will remain unchanged. It is still 5, right? And now what we can do is, now we can assign the original value of variable 1 into variable 2, and we know that the original value of variable 1 is in the temporary variable. That is why we are saying assign the value of temporary variable into variable 2. So once this statement is executed, the value of variable 1 will remain unchanged as before, it is 3. Variable 2 now will get the value 5, which is there in the temporary variable, and temporary variable will keep its value 5. Right, so as we see that now the value of variable 1 and variable 2 have interchanged. Variable 1 has got the value 3, whereas the variable 2 has got the value 5. And after that, we are just simply printing the value of variable 1 and variable 2. Let's try to run this program. And we can see that it is saying 3 and 5, whereas the original value of variable 1 and variable 2 were 5 and 3. So the values of these two variables have been swapped, right? So with this, thank you for your time in this chapter.